are mostly look like. And because some of their language is our language also. So this is the American barracks. Actually, this is the original building of them, where you can see bullet holes from the World War II also. The government just put an I-beams or a brace to hold the old structure.
So it will not go.
Yes. And at the back, where you can see the portion of the Pasig River and the Manila Bay, the Americans use that as their naval base. That's why there's so many anchors in here. And during Japanese time, this barracks of the Americans, they use as prison cell. In fact, our sixth president of the country, which is Elpidio Quirino, when he was a senator in 1943, he was detained here for 16 days. And yes, because he was against Japanese government. And the saddest part, they massacred all of his families. Yes. And at the back, the Japanese used that as their prison cell and their torture area where many people died.
I will tell you, no one loves you, only God loves you.
Yes.
There's no nation which, okay, maybe Catholics are, we love Philippines, but other countries, they don't care about Philippines. I saw how they treat Philippines. What is this?
No, it was just left before there's an event here for the architects. So they put many design. So maybe this one, the Intramuros administration asked this to live. So it became an attraction in here. So this is the empty shells that they used in 1945. Actually, that one is a bomb
from Second World War, of course.
And maybe the reason why it not explode because they recover this in Manila Bay.
Yeah, they take it through here. You see, it's already beton inside. How much kilo is that? If this can hit you, yeah, that's big. That's nice.
That is the famous art here in Manila, the Port Santiago art.
Port Santiago. Santiago. Saint Jacob or
Saint James.
Saint James, yes, Saint James. Okay.
Santiago.
Okay.
But this one came from Santiago Matamoros, or in English, Saint James the Greater.
Okay.
The Spaniard says that is a saint that they said that always helping them to fight Muslims in Spain. And because this is a Muslim kingdom at first, they name it from the Muslim killer Santiago. Matamoros means Moor or Muslim slayer.
Interesting is that I don't know how much you know about history of Spain in Europe. They had so much wars with Muslims. You know?
Yes.
So if I'm in that time, I would recommend them to fight against Muslim in Spain, not to make shit here. It's the same today, by the way.
Yes.
They're cleaning other neighbors, but they don't clean their own self. So sorry.
You will see Santiago riding on the horse, and below him are the Muslims at the bar relief.
Do you have kids?
Yes, I have one daughter and 3 sons.
Very good.
2 sons, sorry.
Very good. Very good. Plaza de Arenas? Armas.
Plaza de Armas. During Spanish time, that center part, they use for military exercises.
Armas is guns. Or... Okay.
Yes, arms. Firearms. So this one, this one, building on the right side and left side are all Spain barracks. But this part became also used as a school for petty officer.
Okay.
And this one served as a barracks, and it became a prison cell for Dr. Jose Rizal. statue on the center is our national hero, Sir Rizal. He is the one that fight the Spanish government without using gun or knife, only writing novels, peaceful fight. So if there's Mahatma Gandhi in India, in
There's
Philippines we
Rizal.
have Rizal.
So I understand. Very good. But it's important that in history that there is many more heroes, and I think there is more.
Yes,
And
like
the
Andres
children
Bonifacio.
needs to, you know, yeah.
Yes, Juan Luna.
Yeah. Because heroes are very important for nation, you know.
Yes.
They sacrifice their own life for Filipino,
country.
Yeah, for country, because they want today in this world, they want to kill identity of people. You
Yes.
know, you are Filipino, your identity is Filipino. You know, your culture. They want the destruction of all memory of history. You know?
Yes, sir. We will go first to the dungeon.
Oh, okay.
And this will be our last sir.
Okay.
The Rizal Museum.
Okay. How much people communicate with you when you are making your visits with them? How much they are interested in
In the history.
in history?
Actually, all they are interested in history. But some other they don't want the tour guide.
Oh yeah. I mean, even my asawa is Filipino. I would be. Oh, see, that's
That is they
it's like
copy the.
Mexicans.
Yeah. Actually, they copy the uniform of the
Oh,
Filipino soldiers.
That's Filipino
during
before.
Spanish time.
Ah,
Yes, sir.
okay. Ah, okay.
Actually, during Spanish time, this is storage for military supply. But during Japanese time, they use that as the prison cell and the torture area. Actually, Filipino soldiers, American soldiers, and all the people, all the civilians that they got, they put inside, they locked it up, then they starved them to death. Actually, they died because of suffocation. After 1945, they discovered 600 decomposing corpses inside. And because that is very sticky, to this White Cross.
Okay.
So they dig very deep, they put the bodies, they burn and flatten. Actually, during All Souls Day in November 1, the government put flowers, candles to offer for the unknown people. Approximately 600 Filipinos and Americans.